Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vika Kaila Shiva and I'm from Bisbrook. Today, I will tell you a story about the dry season in my village and kampung. Uh, it was a very difficult time for all of us. Before that, you look this picture. Yeah, this is the dry season. What is dry season? The dry season came very early last year, in the middle of May. No, yeah, in March or April. The weather was extremely hot and dry and dusty every day. The sun was very strong from morning until afternoon. The sky was clear and blue, but there was no cloud. There was no rain for many long and yeah, hot. So the environment changed completely. The big rivers became very small streams. The small rivers were completely dry. The land was hard, cracked, and brown. It was the longest and the hottest dry season I have ever experienced. It was much more difficult than the previous year. In the village, life was very hard for everyone. A farmer had a very big problem because his rice field was dry and could not grow anything. The soil was like stone, the grass and plants were brown, yellow, and dead. The animals also suffered. The cows and goats were thin because there was no green grass to eat. So we had to change our daily life. Everyone always saved water. We used water only for the most important things like drinking and then cooking and washing our face or yeah anything. In every house, there was a big bucket in the bathroom to collect water for use. People often walk very far to get clean water from a deep well. The air was very dusty and hot, so we always wore masks and long sleeves when we went outside. The roads were full of dust, but even in the hardest time, nature showed one beautiful thing. The sunset every evening was the most beautiful sunset, and then the sky had bright orange, red, yeah, and purple or blue colors. It was the best view of the day. And then you look this picture. In yeah, in the second picture, this picture, for a very long time we all wait and prayed for rain. Every day we look at the sky, but it was always blue. We felt tired and worried. And finally, in the middle of October, a small rain came. It was the first rain after more than 4 months. At first, it was only a little rain, but it was enough to make us happy. Everyone was very excited because the dry land was wet again. The air became fresh, cool, and clean. And then the dust was gone. Children ran outside and played in the rain with smiles. And farmers were the Yes, people because they could start preparing the land to plant rice again. August is the hottest one of the dry season, but October brings the rain, cool air, and new life. And the village become green again little by little. The river started to fill with water. So, the dry season is a difficult but very important time for our village. It teaches us to save water, to work hard, and to be patient. It also reminds us that after the hottest and driest time, rain will come again and uh, life will start again. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you. Bye.